Keep rocking on the bro. It's pretty close. Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're getting out of here a day early, Sunday afternoon. Got a little bit of time. See my community post, but grilled some hamburgers and it was pretty good. And we're gonna try some of this OSFO stuff that we got. I picked up Saturday. I don't know if you can see it. Got that in a spray bottle. I'm gonna try it. Supposed to put it on and let it dry, and we also got our shims in, which we'll deal with those later. Basically what I want to do is clean all this off, get all the dirt and grime that we can off, and along here too, just we can see a little bit of paint and some little bit of rust coming through, but nothing serious. Clean it all off and spray some of that rust inhibitor on it. Let it dry, and then we'll come back and paint it later today. Because if you don't know, it's extremely hot right now in Oklahoma. I don't think we really had a spring. I think it pretty much went from winter to summer. So I think it's 95, 96, and humidity is through the roof. So it's a very overwhelming type of heat. But hopefully I won't sweat too much on my Bronco and help it rust even further. But we'll get all the engine compartments sprayed down, and even the front here, front grill, or the this part here, get it sprayed down. And I'm gonna let it dry for a couple hours. I'm probably gonna go outside and weed eat around the garage and house, because yesterday I mowed from 10:30 to 5:30 straight. My wife's business next door to our house, and then the pasture for our little miniature horse. Grass was getting up to his belly, so I might knock it down a little bit so the wife and kids can go ride them. But anyways, enough talking. Let's get some of this in a spray bottle. We'll spray it on, then we'll come back and paint. And that's probably all I'm gonna do today, because like I said, after we get this treated, I'm probably gonna go weed eat, and I won't feel like doing anything other than putting some paint down and calling it a day. But let's get to cleaning right quick, and then we'll start spraying that stuff on it. All right, we're gonna open the door, get some fans on this, and try to get this to dry out. Hopefully get it dry enough we can paint all this today. As you can see, I'm burning up in here, so we'll come back to this later when it's dry, and we'll hopefully put some of that Reformer black all over in here and getting it looking better. All right, as far as go with the weed eating, so you can tell there's a storm coming in, so there's some thunder. Didn't want to be out there weed eating when I was doing that, so I think this is pretty much dry. We'll wipe everything down again in here, and then we'll spray it, call it a day. I'm ready to get inside myself. But I do like the little rain shower. Anyways, let's wipe it down one more time, and then we'll throw some paint on it and call it a day. It's helling outside right now. So I had to run out there and move the truck. I'm gonna close the garage door down just a little bit. That way some of the fumes won't go out there. Here's another one. I gotta show you what it's doing outside. That's some of the biggest hail I've ever seen in this area. Gonna try to get the painting done right quick and then wait for that to stop, and then I'll head in. But let's paint this right quick. Well, looks a little bit different, doesn't it? I think we got everything painted as good as we can get. Hopefully this stuff works and I just didn't shoot myself in the foot. But everything's blacked out except for where still like to do some finish grinding. We'll get that later. I need to come back and hit right over here a little bit more, but I think I need to get out of here. Fumes are starting to get to me. I think it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good from far away. I like it. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. Whew, it's hot out here. Basically just painted today. We'll let this dry overnight. I'm not sure my plan on what we're going to do next. I need to get back to fitting the door, but I'm finding it kind of difficult just being in here by myself. I may have to run and get some dollies for this so we can move it over some so I can get the cherry picker over there where the door is and help lift it up that way. Regardless, we're gonna keep working on the doors, maybe weld a little bit on the inner rocker, just kind of do some finishing up stuff. And I really hope this OSFA stuff works, because I don't want to sand all that back down. But time will tell. We'll I see another spot I missed over there. We may come look at the passenger side door pillar, door area. Need to find the latch mechanism, and we may start trying to fit it too, since kick pan was welded in already. Kind of is where it is, so we'll work off that. But anyways, it's still storming outside. Don't be saw my wife threw a piece of hail at me. It's about the size of say a quarter or so. But I think it's finally stopped and passed by. She went and got in her car and pulled it in. I thought it was just hard rain, but apparently it's some hail coming down. But we'll keep rocking on the Bronco. It's pretty close. Need to head in, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.